Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Morning party people! Kicking off the day on the crazy. Look at it. Says I ain't got no gas. Ah, there it is. Rolling up now. I was about to say, I know I had close to a full tank of gas unless somebody stole my gas from this hotel last night. Anyway, today's the big day of the car show. Headed over to get some breakfast for Diane and for myself. Then I'm gonna head over to the car wash Panther off a little bit. Then I'm gonna head over to Dan the man's place, throw a little wax on the hood and the roof. By that time, Red Baron should be showing up, and a few other guys, and we're gonna roll over to the Gilmore Museum for the Volvo meet. Volvo enhanced meet. From 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. It's gonna be a hot one, so man, I hope Dan has a cooler and some other stuff to keep us cool and hydrated and happy. Nobody needs to be snicker low. So I'm gonna do as much footage as I can. You guys know that my phone does not like the heat. It will not do good. It's gonna be shut down. So I have a couple other cameras. I'll try to mix a video tonight, post it later tonight, and hey, all we can do is our best. Can't do no better than that. I think I got 3 or 4 cameras here, so get some footage. There's actually a guy that did a lot of filming and editing for a very popular automotive channel. He's here. May not do as much videoing, but hey, he'll do some. So hope you guys enjoy what we get up, and hope to see some of you guys here. So get on down here. Starts at 9. Right now it's 6:45. First thing I'm gonna do is wash off the Panther, these bugs, and just get it so I could hit the hood with some wax real quick. It's my busted up front spoiler. Bust, scratch, crack. Man, you just get to replace these things. They start getting busted up. Fixing them is a money hole. Sorry to say, cars are vanishing quicker than gnats with a fan going. I have missed shooting a lot of cars. This is cool. They are letting people either get a ride with or drive those Model T cars. A lot of stuff going on here. We still got mostly here. They had all kind of stuff. BMWs, some Ferraris, a lot of European stuff, Opels. Half the Volvos are gone. I went for a quick ride with Red Baron to tune it, and they just disappeared. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see what's going on here. Some of your classic Volvos. I think I've seen this car at a show before. The 544 1960 model. He's got a nice photo album with the car. Beautiful. Perfect car. They're doing a show rating here. I'm not sure when's the deadline on turning that in, but anyway, there's another nice one. 544, another beautiful one. 544 with some sport options on it. And here's one of my favorites.
Hey there.
Yes, sir. The 122S. They actually have a trunk showing category. Here's a bunch of your 1800s, the ES fastbacks, and then a couple of stock ones.
Don't believe a word of it.
Don't believe a word of it. Who put this Jaguar R-Type here?
I know.
Damn, not to stole the show. Them Jaguars are beautiful. Look at the inside of that thing. Man, paint's clean. Then we come down here. We got some newer stuff. That's the main museum there. That building and that building on the right. Andrew said it is actually worth coming just to see that. Hey, how you doing, man?
How are you?
That's a daily driven car. We got a T6. Oh man, T8 XC60 twin engine. Yeah, these T8s supposed to be rockets. Yep, you won't be DIYing this one.
The Mexicans love the rabbit.
This is from Oregon. Man, that's far.
They don't even care if it's a 19.
T6 goes to the shows, traveling around. It's your 240. Here's Tom's 240 there. This car is about to get well, his other one's about to get a Mercedes diesel engine transformation. Tom travels the country kind of like I do, gathering parts for himself, not out there helping people. This is I don't think this is Daniel's car. Daniel's left, but this is somebody's green V70R. Live to ride. Scott's beautiful white GLT that's been upgraded to a T5. That's the only blemish on the car right there. This thing is beautiful. Nice cold ice chest. He'd let me cool my drinks there. Beautiful car. Right next to that Saffron. That is low. Oh, Will, that's your green car, right? Okay, cool. That's Will's green car. Saffron. Clean car, dark interior, roof rails. This car is low. Low. Panther, the hardest working P80 on the planet. There you go, folks. You seen it there. 452. Oops.
I'd like to buy a sticker.
Okay, which one of those?
300,000.
Oh, you can just have them.
Are you sure?
Those are just giveaway.
I'm getting close.
Yeah, take one of those too. You already been to the moon, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, take one of those too.
I've got a bag of Lexus that's got like 270,000.
Oh, nice. There you go, Robert DIY official. We got a storyboard here. If you guys ever decide to go show your car storyboard, I think it's called carstoryboard.com. Go there, check that out. Got a couple of normal cars here. Is it powered up, the computer? All right, so I gotta go and flash a file. Nice, S70. Man, only thing needs some headlights on that joint. Dan the man's car, here it is. Bertone, probably around what is it? It's an 89 model. It's actually been manually swapped. Got an 850 shifter in there. Pretty nice car. I think it's only got 58,000 miles on it. 57666. Ooh, that number. A S90. Another 240. A Porsche. All the Porsches, BMWs and stuff was over there. My phone's acting up, so I'm gonna shut it down. Flashing a tune on Red Baron for blue injectors. We're having some tuning issues. with math readings. So maybe this will help if there's a problem with fuel delivery with our green injectors. So we swapped those out yesterday. We're at the car show, Gilmore. Flash in the tip. Here we are, almost done. In this video, I'm about to show you how to get these door handles and stuff off, the window crank, the door handle off, so you can get your door panel off. This is a 1960? 65 122 Volvo. It has what they call an Omega clip ring in it. This is the proper tool for doing it. The clip ring is in between this plastic ring and the chrome on here. I stuck a bone tool in here and pry it in there so I can look down in there and see the clip. Omega clip is called that because, of course, the Omega symbol, college people stuff. And the clip ring, when you slide this handle on, this grabs the teeth in there and that clip ring goes in that hole. So the clip ring is holding this handle against that stub in here like this. So what you want to do with the tool is you pry into here so you can see the clip. Now when the handle's pointing down, the round part of the clip is like this. Okay, so what you want to do with the tool is you want to get the tool slid in between this plastic and the metal, and you want to grab the tip of the clip that's in there like this and pry the clip back, and as you pry it back, it'll pop off. Now you want something under it so it don't disappear. Just now when it popped off, it hit the door, fell on the floor. Then after you get the clip out, after you get the clip to pop out, the handle, the spacer, and the spring will push off the door. That stuff's easy to find, but that clip is not. Now this side of this tool will push that on. Now sometimes if you have a pointy tip like this, you can actually put the clip in place and just push it on the door and it'll clip around that post. So there you go. It's like that. It's pretty much in place. Can't see it there. Let me turn the light on. Alright, you see it in there. You can push this on there and it'll probably lock in place just like that. So now I'll use this tool remover to get that back off. But hope that helps. If you got any questions, let me know. Sometimes you can see them if you look down there far enough. When it pops loose, try not to lose it. They're announcing some kind of award. The car show winner, Volvo of Michigan Great Lakes chapter. The window came loose from the cable track, so we're trying to get to the cable to put it back on the window crank. So this is how the door looks when you get the door panel off. Then you pull this insulation open and you see the cable hanging right there off the pulley. So you gotta get that back up on the pulley in there somehow. This cable jump roller, you got a roller, it needs to get under there, pull those two bolts, jiggle that thing around to get enough slack in it. And it's got a roller up there that ends it, and it runs around the gear.
One thing is that stop was out of place, so that let the window go too far down. That might have thrown it off the pole.
Yeah, bending that back in place probably helped it.
Yeah.
Okay, that may have been the problem.
See that rubber button right there? It's supposed to come down on that.
All right,
that rubber button was clear out over here.
Roll that window down. Keep going all the way.
He's trying to wash
Keep going. Go all the way down. All right, right there. See, this rubber stop is that metal
stop.
It's pretty much there right now.
Yeah, but I mean, it's keeping them going too far.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it was bent clear over here.
That was bent
I had
in.
to bend it back to get my tool on.
Yeah, That may have been
And
the
that
real root of the problem. This
That
was
might have
bent
happened when the
over
window
top of the
slammed
ball.
down.
I know.
Red Baron on the side of the road trying to get warranty work. I ain't doing the warranty work, man. Down here, Red Baron, heater hose. Only hoses that weren't replaced. I unplugged them from the junction. And this one right here, going back into the block. Split right there on top. Gotta replace these old hoses, man. Trying to skimp, save money, cheat your customers, and this is what happens. They call you all the way up here in the woods of Michigan. Look at this. Panther's info is gone. Don't know what temperature is. Don't know my fuel mileage. Don't know miles to empty. I think that's all linked through that switch. So either I blew a fuse or my switch went out. I'm going to try to change the switch. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.